at that.
Juicy, delicious.
Signing myself up for failure. Trying to understand what I'm tasting right now. Just leave me here.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be trying boat noodles, aka blood soup. If you don't know what that is, make sure to stay tuned.
So we are here at the boat noodle place and we're gonna go grab ourselves some boat noodles. It looks like the menu is in Thai, so I don't know how I'm gonna order or how Chase and I are gonna order, but we'll go figure it out. Looks like there's a menu here.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, thank you. This is definitely a tiny little place. It's super cute, but the room is it's a little confined.
So I'm pretty excited there. We got 3 different soups coming.
Yeah.
2 with beef and 1 with pork. And we also have to try their thickened broths because that's what we came for.
Yeah. I am nervous to try blood soup, to be honest. I don't know if Thai boat noodles are super common because we actually haven't, at least that I've noticed, I haven't seen them many places that we've been.
Yeah, we might have got them without knowing.
Maybe,
but
basically they're seasoned with pig or cow's blood, and it also thickens the soup.
Yeah, it's how the soup broth is thickened. I don't know if our clear soup broth is going to have that, but the two thickened ones will either have pig's or cow's blood to thicken the soup broth. All right, so you can go over here, grab your own cup, and get some water.
How do we get these? Like, do you just take them, I guess?
Yeah.
I wonder, this one kind of looks yummy.
Oh, kapoon ka.
Oh,
all
good
right.
juice.
How do you say this? Chrysanthemum.
Chrysanthemum.
Chrysanthemum. It's like a honey tea or something.
It doesn't smell like anything.
Iced honey tea.
It tastes like sugar water.
Sugar water. But it's like honey sugar, not like a, I don't know.
It is. It tastes like honey water.
It's a little bit spicy.
Little bit.
Nitnoy pet. Look at these cute little bowls.
Wow. Yeah.
Can you use it?
Yep, chopstick.
Maybe 1 fork.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Sitting here in front of all these delicious noodles, I really don't know which one I want to try first.
It smells good.
I guess we should maybe save the spicy one for last.
Probably, because I don't want to burn my taste buds off if it's like pet ma.
You know what? Look at this. Juicy, delicious.
These actually look really good.
Beef meatballs. It's funny we're going to start with this because we came here for the boat noodles, but how can you not?
I don't know. I feel like these just look so good.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Those are really good.
I love the sauce that they put on it.
It's like a sweet Thai chili sauce, but like spicier.
Yeah, it has that kick.
And a little bit darker. Like it's almost like maybe they mixed in some kind of soy sauce or something.
Very nice, very nice.
I'm glad she recommended the beef too, because the beef is like,
it has a good flavor.
It has a good beef flavor. It's
yeah,
not
for
like
sure.
It's not like some that just tastes like nothing. Wait, is it blood soup time?
It is. So which one did we get? We got this one with the blood soup, right?
One of them was supposed to be clear, but I think that was we didn't get it clear. But that's okay.
Dun, dun, dun,
That's okay. Because I think I confused her at first because they said all thickened, but then we switched it and said 1 clear, but it's fine.
Whatever.
We might have to order another one, we'll see. Oh, you know what?
Oh, here we are.
Do you want these ones? Pork rinds?
Pork rinds.
You can't have soup without these little pork rinds. They're the best.
You know what? I'm a little bit of a weirdo, and I like eating them on the side because once you put them in the soup, they get a little soggy, but everyone else loves putting them in their soup.
Okay, I'm having a time here. Okay.
Well, maybe I'll just try some glass noodles while Shelby's having a time over here.
Okay, oh, that's a tough bag. Oh, that's a thick chunk of noodle. Okay.
All right. What's this here?
Looks like liver.
All right, yeah. Got the first piece of liver. The noodles are amazing. They suck up the flavor of the broth perfectly. Just go for it.
Okay.
Go for it.
Interesting. Okay. I'm not sure what to make of it. You know what? I'll try with my chopsticks. I feel like you might kind of get that. It's not bloody, but it's like...
I don't know. I'm telling you. It's pretty darn good.
That is really good. I'm trying to understand what I'm tasting right now. I feel like I want to taste like this heavy iron taste so bad, but it really isn't. It just tastes like a rich broth. It's still quite spicy.
Try the liver. You'll get your iron fix.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in to try these noodles.
They're pretty good. I'll eat a beef ball while Shelby's doing these noodles.
Glass noodles are my favorite. And Chase is right. They soak up the broth so well.
It's very surprising.
I really like the glass noodle one. Okay. There's this piece. I think this is beef. I'm not sure.
How was it?
Oh, that's a good tender piece of beef.
I want the next one. Give me that piece of beef, please.
So,
Feed me.
yeah, in this one. In this, I think you get when you order the small bowls, the 25 baht bowls. I think you kind of get like a piece of meat almost in each bowl.
That beef.
So good.
So that's obviously the stewed piece of meat. Because on this little thing here, it says meatballs, fresh meat, liver, and stewed. That is the stewed beef. That is amazing.
Yeah, I'm spilling on myself.
Well.
And then I believe they also have, I think this is Morning Glory. I'm pretty sure.
It's either Morning Glory or Thai kale. One of the two.
I think it's Morning Glory.
You think so?
It's really good. Oh, we got pork in this one. Okay, so I haven't tried a ball.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what.
I think these would be the same in each of these soups, so let's give it a whirl, eh?
Cheers! Oh man. I think that was almost a pork ball. You know what you got?
It tastes like pork. These ones are definitely beef, and they taste a lot different.
These are pork.
Both little meatballs are so good here.
But you know what, guys? I'm telling you, blood in soup, it sounds not good, but it is actually delicious. Like, the soup is just like, has such an umami rich flavor. And it doesn't taste like weird blood.
You know what, if you came here, you wouldn't even know.
You wouldn't even know. If nobody told you.
You would just order your little soup, and it would be delicious.
Yeah, if nobody told you, you wouldn't know. I don't know if you can see the sweat that's just dripping down my forehead.
It is hot. It is very hot. Look at these yellow noodles.
Oh, those look so good. And then this is the wide. I love the wide ones too. Look at that. Oh no.
So, I don't know if it has to do with how they thicken the broth, but it's sticking to every single noodle so well.
It is.
It's so amazing.
It really is. Like, when you take up a noodle, sometimes in soups, you'll kind of eat the noodle and then it's just kind of bland.
Then you eat a spoonful of the broth. You do
really
not
good.
need to do that here. Have you had some liver yet, my love?
No.
I haven't seen that face yet.
I don't know. Okay, where is it?
All right, get a little spoon.
I don't know where the liver is.
There's one right here.
Oh gosh, okay. I think Chase has been indulging in all the liver.
I had one piece already.
Okay.
Oh, transfer.
Oh, I'm scared.
You got this, babe. It's very healthy for you.
Okay. I don't like liver. Oh. Oh.
That's your only piece you're gonna have?
I'm gonna wash it down.
Wash it down with some broth.
I am so funny. The stuff that you don't see on camera.
Yeah. Alright, so our GoPro quit on us. It is scorching out.
Yeah.
Feels like 40 something.
Oh man.
But we're back, and I think you need to try some yellow noodles. You have not.
I've not tried the yellow noodles. Okay.
And it's not pad ma. So I'm sure you can handle it.
We should add a little bit of
I do want to add some chili oil to one of these dishes once you're done with them.
Never. Let's add a little vinegar too.
That's vinegar. Oh, I thought it was chili oil. Aw.
There's chilies, but no chili oil.
Yeah.
But they have all these fixings. They have the chili flakes, the vinegar, and the sugar, and the fish sauce. Basically all the condiments you need for soup.
For sure. Everything you could want.
Okay, I'm going in.
Oh, you got the delicious piece of beef. Mmm.
Okay.
Wow.
And a pork rind.
And a pork rind. That is a perfect bite. Perfect bite.
Oh my god. When you add the vinegar, that takes your broth from like a 7 to like an 8.5.
Woo!
Nope, maybe 9. Wow, that's so yummy.
I actually haven't tried that one that you're eating right now.
You can eat it with the liver.
Oh wow! I would just
Do you like the liver?
No, I
You don't?
I don't like the liver, everyone.
I don't either.
It's
I
there.
think that
It's there. It's healthy for you. You eat it for that.
Oh, look at that noodle.
Oh yeah, going for another beef ball.
Oh, they're so good. Oh yeah. What was your favorite noodle?
You know what? With this broth, you cannot choose improperly. Every single noodle
Really?
is delicious.
I'm surprised. That's,
You know what? Yellow noodles are my favorite, but with this soup broth, it's just
they're all
so amazing.
like this place is like, oh, add more vinegar, is like 10 out of 10. So good.
Oh yeah, and I finally ate that yellow noodle after Shelby added that vinegar. Hot damn.
Yeah. I think the broth is sweet enough. Like it has a perfectly sweet broth, but once you add the vinegar, it's just
It mellows it out a little bit.
so good. Like I'm shocked at like how amazing this food is.
Are you-
And the lady, sorry.
Oh, I was just gonna ask if you were done with this so I could put some chilies in it.
Knock yourself out.
Okay.
And the lady who runs it was so friendly. As soon as we pulled up, she gave us a really genuine smile, and that's really whoa. Okay. Okay. I think we need to show you guys how much stuff we just put in there.
Oh, you want to see? So honestly, putting that many chili flakes could be a mistake. I can handle a lot of spice.
You can handle like all the spice in the world.
Yeah, but I've noticed one thing. When it goes into a soup, it's so much harder to handle. It like goes into every single bite. When like, if I have a pack or pow or something and I'm putting like the nampla prick on it,
Yeah.
you can have like spice in this bite, no spice in that bite, and you can level it out. In a soup, you're committing every single bite's gonna be spicy from here on out.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Should I try?
Let me try one little spoonful here, because it might be dead.
I'm signing myself up for failure.
Oh! Watch yourself. That's hot.
Watch this.
Watch yourself. Show me what you're working with.
Oh my god. Wow. Ooh.
Dun, dun, dun.
Ooh. That doesn't even taste good.
What are you talking about? It tastes amazing. You know, I wish I had them in with more noodles because it's kind of a tease. Now I just have spicy broth.
I'll stick to my Nit Noi noodles that are actually still really spicy. So if you're sensitive to spice, when you come here and you say little spice, just say none because these are, my lips are on fire. Can you see me right now? I'm dying. I've never died this much in a video before. Oh my god. We'll just have napkins everywhere. Behind my neck and
Let me know when you're ready to go
just
again.
leave me. Just leave me here. And the broth, it's not like, I wouldn't say it's like super thick. Like when we say thick or it's called thickened soup, like it's not some like,
It's not like a gravy.
no, it's not like a gravy. It's still, it's totally
It's just
runny.
it's to a point where it will stick to the noodles
Yeah.
and it's a perfect
It's
consistency.
perfect.
I guess we're just drinking broth now, which is pretty darn good.
Yeah. And we have a couple little pork rinds left.
Yeah.
Ooh, I feel like these yellow ones that you could get would be really good too. We didn't get them this time, but there's the option there.
Every last drop.
If you haven't seen the last video, we'll link it here. It's a good one. You guys will definitely want to check it out.
7-Eleven Toasties.
Yeah. And it's safe to say I don't think we want to eat another toasty ever again.
No, not when you got delicious food like this. Holy. All right, so let's go pay the kiptang.
Kiptang.
I want.
160 ค่ะ
160 baht for that meal.
Oh my gosh, wow. So this place was super cute, tucked right off the highway. A little noisy, but honestly, it's still really nice. It's nice and updated. The soup is like phenomenal. The price is great. Like, I had such a good time.
Yeah, it's super easy to get to, right on the road, like Shelby said. But if you like this content, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell, and we'll see you in the next one.
Khab kun ka. Thank you. Have a nice day.